Hi, I'm Kim Dunker, and I'm with Dream Believe Try, and today we're going to learn how to change a flat. To begin with, what you need to do is when you have the flat, you're going to drop your rings into the smallest gears in order to get your wheel off. So how I do that is I just drop them both down, and I run my pedal through so it drops all the way down. From there, what you want to do is take off the rear wheel. By doing so, I loosen up the lever on the left side, maybe untwist it a bit, and I'm going to pull it back and release the chain off.
Take your tire lever and begin opposite the valve stem. Hold the wheel between your knees to get better leverage. Hook the tire lever under the bead, which sits below the rim, and flip the tire lever down. Then slide the lever around the rim, unhooking the entire bead. Pull the tube out from beneath the tire and try to find the hole or puncture by blowing air into the valve and listening and feeling for a leak. You can then measure along the tube and find where the debris is in the tire. Run your fingers along the inside and outside of the tire, looking for any glass, thorns, or other debris that may cause your flat. Here's an example of a cut sidewall. This tire is ruined. Take the new tube and unscrew the valve. Blow a little air inside the tube to hold the shape and put the valve into the hole in the rim. Start feeding the tube into the tire, working all the way around. Once the tube is completely in the tire, you can begin setting the tire bead on the rim. To do this, you start pushing the bead of the tire back over the rim, starting by the valve stem, and working your way around the tire. Once you get halfway, start back at the valve and work your way around the other side of the wheel. Meet at the middle and flip the remaining part on. This is the toughest part. Check that the tire is not pinched under the tire by squeezing the tire and visually inspecting. Unscrew the valve and lock the pump nozzle onto the valve. Inflate the tire to approximately 110 psi, or the tire pressure that is recommended on the side of the tire. Screw the valve closed. When the tire is inflated, you are ready to put the wheel back in. With your right hand, pull the derailleur back and hook the chain on your cassette. Slide the axle into the dropout, checking to make sure the wheel is in straight. Snugly tighten the quick release, and you are ready to ride. For more videos, visit DreamBelieveTry.com.